Hey guys, welcome to the first episode on my series which talks all about my favorite Indian breads. We'll first start off with my all-time favorite, the classic triangular paratha. It's layered, it has ghee in it, and it's delicious. So let's get it started right now. So parathas are delicious. It's a really common Indian bread amongst roti, and I've grown up all my life eating parathas. My favorite ones ironically were not the ones made by my mom, but the ones made by my dear family chef. They were delicious. I don't know what he did, but it's great, and I can't believe that I have been able to retrieve all those memories of me seeing him make it to be able to replicate it and have that same effect all the way here. So I'm going to share that recipe with you. So first of all, get some atta flour. Now atta is a type of a whole wheat flour. Sometimes called a durum whole wheat flour. It's different than regular whole wheat flour, and I feel like atta is a little more refined and it has a lighter texture and a lighter taste. Find atta flour at your local Indian store, and even some huge stores such as Loblaws sell atta flour. So I have my atta flour in here. All you have to do is add some water, and as an optional step you can add in a little touch of ghee. Now this recipe has a lot of ghee when you're cooking it, so that's why it's a completely optional step. So today I'm going to be using my KitchenAid. As you guys must have known from my other videos, I love using the KitchenAid because it makes bread making so easy. So now all you have to do is add some tepid water until your dough is soft but not sticky. So after you're done with the dough, put it into a bowl and cover it with a wet paper towel or wet kitchen towel and let it sit at room temperature for about 10-15 minutes. So after your dough is rested, let's start rolling out our parathas. So this recipe will make about 2 to 3 parathas depending on the size that you like. So I'm going to make 3. Let's cut this into about 3 equal sizes. Roll these out into even discs. Now let's start rolling. So here we have our disc. Add a little bit of ghee. It's going to help you roll it, and that's what's going to give you that delicious crispy and crunchy texture, and as well as make it soft. Now add some ghee and fold. That's layer 1. We're going to make it into triangles. That's another layer, and there is your triangle. Now you can tap this out a bit, pat this out, and then roll it so it forms a bigger triangle. So there's your triangle paratha. Now let's start cooking these. So here's my tawa and it's smoking right now. Now add your paratha right on there, and we're going to keep cooking this until it starts to form bubbles, which is telling you that it's starting to cook. Now as you can see, it's forming some really nice bubbles. Now it's time to flip, and as it's cooking, keep adding a little bit of ghee, which really helps to make the paratha super delicious, get it smoky, and it has the delicious flavors of ghee all over. Now repeat the same process for the remaining dough and you'll be left with this beautiful stack of bread. So there you have it, guys. That's how you make the traditional home style parathas, and now you know how to make that iconic triangular shape. It's super crispy, super delicious, and that ghee really takes it up a notch. This is a really common bread, as I said earlier in the video. You can have this with almost anything except not butter chicken, because naan is the best thing with butter chicken according to me. So go ahead and experiment. Now you know how to make parathas. If you want to see more videos on how to make Indian breads, don't forget to see my playlist where I talk all about Indian breads. In order to do that, you have to be subscribed. So be sure to subscribe to my channel to not miss any new content. I'll see you guys again on the next one.